Hello, friends. You're watching Cool Product, and today we're counting down the top 5 best Type-C infrared thermal imager options that plug right into your phone for quick heat spot checks on electronics, HVAC, and insulation without bulky gear. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Nohawk Type-C infrared thermal imager. Nohawk Type-C infrared thermal imager turns your smartphone into a powerful thermal camera in seconds. With its plug-and-play Type-C connector, you simply attach it to your Android device or iPhone 15 and newer models, and you are ready to start scanning. No complicated setup, no extra cables, just quick and easy use whenever you need it. The Nohawk thermal imager delivers impressive super-resolution imaging with a wide 40.5-degree field of view. This means you can capture more area in a single frame while still seeing sharp thermal details. Whether you are checking electrical panels, HVAC systems, or insulation, you get a clear thermal picture that helps you spot problems faster. With a smooth 25 Hz refresh rate, the image updates fluidly as you move the camera. This makes scanning walls, machines, or circuits feel natural and responsive. The 15 times digital zoom lets you focus on small hotspots or distant targets without losing important detail. Nohawk also includes versatile measurement tools inside the app. You can choose point, line, or box temperature measurement depending on what you are analyzing. It can detect temperature differences as small as 0.04 degrees Celsius, with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius. That level of sensitivity is extremely useful when tracking subtle heat changes. The wide temperature range, from minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 450 degrees Celsius, makes it suitable for many tasks. From checking frozen pipes to inspecting high-temperature mechanical parts, this device handles it all with confidence. The intelligent app integration adds even more value. You get real-time temperature analysis, high and low temperature alarms, and temperature tracking to monitor changes over time. The iotherm function supports ranges from minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, and offline analysis with full seam temperature display allows deeper inspection after the scan. Another smart design choice is its battery-free operation. The Nohawk Type-C infrared thermal imager uses low power from your phone, helping you work longer without worrying about charging another device. Compact and easy to carry, it is a practical and user-friendly tool for professionals and serious DIY users alike. Next up, at number 4, we have the Hti HT-203U Type-C infrared thermal imager. Hti HT-203U Type-C infrared thermal imager delivers high-precision thermal imaging with a sharp 256 by 192 pixel resolution, giving you clear and detailed temperature detection for professional tasks. Whether you are inspecting electrical panels, checking motors, or working on industrial systems, this level of clarity helps you quickly identify hotspots and hidden issues. The Hti HT-203U supports a wide temperature range from minus 20 degrees Celsius up to 550 degrees Celsius. This makes it extremely versatile. You can use it to detect cold air leaks and insulation problems, or monitor high heat equipment and mechanical components. It adapts easily to different working environments without limiting your capability. Designed as a compact handheld device, it features a 1.9-inch display that shows thermal images directly on the unit. This means you can view results instantly without needing extra equipment. The size is practical and comfortable in hand, allowing you to move around job sites freely and work in tight spaces without hassle. With Android Type-C connectivity, the Hti HT-203U allows seamless integration with modern smartphones and tablets. Data transfer is fast and simple, helping you analyze images in real time and share results quickly when needed. This improves workflow efficiency, especially during professional inspections where time matters. Safety and quality are also important here. The device is certified with CE and RoHS standards, which means it meets international safety and environmental requirements. You can rely on it for stable and responsible performance in professional settings. Weighing only zero point 0.2 such as TH1 and 10 by 8 by 6 centimeter size, the Hti HT-203U is easy to carry in your toolkit. It does not take up much space, making it perfect for technicians who travel between job sites. Sold as a single unit per pack, the Hti HT-203U Type-C infrared thermal imager offers a straightforward processing option for individual users who want a portable, accurate, and dependable thermal imaging solution. Taking the third spot is the Ampbank M256 Type-C infrared thermal imager. Ampbank M256 Type-C infrared thermal imager packs powerful thermal technology into a compact device that connects directly to your smartphone or tablet. With a high infrared resolution of 256 by 192, it produces sharp and detailed thermal images that clearly show heat differences in your target area. Once connected, your phone powers the device, and with a low consumption of only 0.25 watts, it can run for about 4 to 7 hours on phones with 3,000 to 5,000 mAh batteries. That means longer inspections without worrying about extra charging. The Ampbank M256 supports a wide temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, or -20 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. It delivers readings accurate within 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 degrees Celsius, or within 2% of the actual temperature. It can even measure temperature changes down to 0.1 degrees Celsius. You can monitor a scene continuously and generate a waveform graph that shows the highest, lowest, and average temperatures, giving you a deeper understanding of what is happening over time. Through the dedicated app, you can select 3 measurement dimensions, including point, line, and surface detection. Each dimension supports up to 3 areas, allowing temperature readings in 9 areas at the same time. This is extremely useful when comparing different spots in one image. The 9 color palettes let you choose gradient styles that make temperature differences easier to identify based on your preference. Top-down image enhancement technology improves sharpness and contrast, making the field of view clearer and more detailed. The image rotation function allows flexible viewing angles without physically rotating your phone. With image fusion, the Ampbank M256 combines infrared images with visible light images from your mobile camera, helping you identify the exact location of heat issues more easily. Measuring just 2.8 by 1.65 by 0.55 inches and weighing only 30 grams, the Ampbank M256 is highly portable and easy to carry anywhere. A 19.7-inch cable with a USB converter adds flexibility during inspections. It also comes with an anti-dust EVA bag and a wiping cloth for protection and easy cleaning, making it a practical and adaptable thermal imaging solution. Coming in at number 2 is the ThermalMaster P2 Pro Type-C Infrared Thermal Imager. ThermalMaster P2 Pro Type-C Infrared Thermal Imager delivers powerful thermal performance in a compact handheld design. With a 256 by 192 infrared resolution and an impressive 15 times zoom, it captures detailed thermal images that help you spot small temperature differences quickly. This makes it ideal for inspecting electronics, HVAC systems, and electrical components where precision really matters. The ThermalMaster P2 Pro offers high-precision temperature measurement with an accuracy of ±2 degrees Celsius at the PCB level. It supports a wide temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius up to 600 degrees Celsius. Whether you are checking low-temperature cooling lines or high-heat industrial parts, you can rely on stable and accurate readings for critical diagnostics. When paired with the Temp Master app, this device becomes even more powerful. You can view real-time thermal analysis directly on your smartphone, capture photos and videos, and organize your data easily. This smart connectivity improves workflow efficiency and allows you to document findings clearly for reports or maintenance records. Despite its advanced capability, the Thermal Master P2 Pro remains lightweight at just 0.350 kilograms and measures 17 by 11 by 4 centimeters. Its compact handheld design makes it comfortable to use in tight panels, ceiling spaces, or remote job sites. You can carry it in your tool bag without adding bulk. With a net D of 40 milliville or less and a smooth 25 Hz frame rate, it produces high contrast and fluid thermal images. This helps you detect faults faster and with greater confidence, especially when scanning moving targets or large areas. Enhanced with IQ Plus Precision Temp and Razor X support, the Thermal Master P2 Pro delivers sharper visualization and improved detail in complex thermal patterns. The result is a clearer, more defined thermal image that makes professional inspections easier and more accurate. And finally, our top pick, the Goyojo Type-C Infrared Thermal Imager. Goyojo GW192A Type-C Infrared Thermal Imager is a compact thermal camera designed to turn your Android phone into a powerful inspection tool. By simply connecting it through the Type-C port, your smartphone becomes a real-time thermographic camera, ready to detect heat patterns for repair and maintenance work. The Goyojo GW192A delivers clear thermal imaging that helps you quickly identify overheating components, electrical faults, and insulation problems. Whether you are working on circuit boards, power panels, HVAC systems, or home repairs, it allows you to see temperature differences that are invisible to the naked eye. This makes troubleshooting faster and much more accurate. Because it connects directly to your Android phone, you can view thermal images instantly on a larger and familiar screen. This improves visibility and makes it easier to analyze detailed areas. The phone integration also allows you to capture images during inspections, helping you document issues and keep records for future reference. The compact and lightweight design makes the Goyojo GW192A easy to carry in your pocket or tool bag. It is ideal for on-site inspections, field service, and quick diagnostics when you need a portable solution. There is no need to carry a bulky standalone device, since your phone handles the display and processing. Built for inspection and repair tasks, this thermographic camera helps detect hot spots in electronics, check wiring conditions, and monitor equipment temperature during operation. By identifying heat-related problems early, you can prevent damage, reduce downtime, and improve safety. The Goyojo GW192A Type-C Infrared Thermal Imager offers a simple yet effective way to add thermal vision to your Android device, making everyday inspection and repair work smarter and more efficient. Don't guess, see the heat. Check the price link in the description, and if this list helped, like and subscribe to Cool Product for more tool roundups.